Favies, welcome back to another Hoop Aerobics workout. Today we are going to be hooping along to Sabrina Carpenter's Espresso. Anyway, I'm sure you know what song I'm talking about because it's everywhere at the minute and it's fantastic. So here we go. Let's go through some of the moves quickly and then we'll get into it. If you don't fancy this bit and you want to get straight into the routine, then skip to the next section or to the next chapter. And yeah, here we go. Are we ready? So what we're going to do, we're going to do some side steps to the side, believe it or not, and then we're going to come back. But we're going to do some arm actions with it. So as we come to the side, we're going to point at ourselves. It is quite slow, this bit. Then as we come back in, we're going to sleep. And we're going to sleep again. And then as we come back, we're going to raise our arms up. And one more time. And then as we go back, we're going to sleep one more time. And then we're going to drink our espresso. All right, guys. So that is that part. That is like the chorusy bit. And then after this part, what we're going to do, we are going to raise our hoop up. We're going to come up and down into some squats. We're going to be hooping whilst we're doing all this, by the way. I'm just kind of going through the routine. And then we're going to hold our hoop again, and we're going to do little Supermans to one side and then to the other. So we've got 4 on each side. All right, guys, let's grab our hoop. I know that's like the speediest kind of explanation ever, but I just want to get into it, and I'm sure you do too. So grab your hoop and let's go along with it. Here we go. Are we ready, guys? Grab your hoop, let's pop it on our waist, and let's get ready for our little side steps. Are we ready? We go. Side, point to yourself. Yes. We're gonna sleep this time. There we go. Awesome, we go out, arms up. Yes, we go out and sleep. Drink your espresso. Woo! Here we go, we're gonna go up and down. That's it, we can stretch nice and high and squat nice and low. Yes. Woo! Super duper. That feels good. Okay, last time. Straight into those Supermans. We're gonna go out and in. Try to balance yourself. Use your hoop as support. Change sides. We go. 4. In. Whew. 3. 2. Last one. Are we ready? Here we go. Side. Yes. Fabulous. Are we ready to sleep? Yes. We're doing it. Arms out and up. Woo! Are we ready? Sleeping? Espresso. Woo! Fabulous. Grab your hoop. We're gonna go back into those squats. Here we go. Up, down. Yes. Beautiful. Woo! Up, down. That's it. Up, down. Are we ready? Supermans to the side. We go. Out and in. Try to bring your elbow towards your knee, crunching those abs. Change side. Here we go. 4. Find your balance. 2. Last one. Are we ready? Back to our little routine. Thinking about me. Yes. Awesome. Side and sleep. Woo. We go out and up. Yes. Sleeping. Espresso. Woo! Again, here we go. Side. Point. Lovely. Are we ready? Let's sleep. Awesome. We go. Out and up. Out and up. Are we ready? Last little bit. Sleep. Espresso. Espresso. Give it a twirl. Dance it out, guys. Woo! Yes. So there you have it, guys. We have done another hoop aerobics routine. I really hope you enjoyed it because I thoroughly enjoyed myself and I'd love to make some more of these videos for you. If you did enjoy that, please subscribe and comment below. It means the world to me, and I will see you next time. And of course, thanks for watching.